the beginning of summer, the harvesting season of many fruits and vegetables. But there is one particular veggie that makes every German excited during this time of the year, the long-awaited white asparagus. This season is called Spargelzeit. Yes, asparagus is a German cult favorite nowadays. It quickly sells out in supermarkets. But here's an insider tip. Get yours from a local farmer. They're fresh, organic, and at the same time, you're supporting local businesses. Let's find out how to prepare them.
So what do we need for this dish? Potatoes, asparagus. For the sauce hollandaise we need 2 eggs, 7 egg yolks, butter, salt, and lemon. Now that we have everything, let's prepare it. Guten Appetit!
As you may know, due to the pandemic, travel restrictions and border shuttles were implemented. The harvest of asparagus normally depends on the help of experienced teams of seasonal workers from Eastern Europe. So many were worried that this situation would shatter every German's dream of Spargelzeit. Nevertheless, farmers found ways to harvest and distribute asparagus to local markets to ensure that German citizens are able to enjoy their favorite traditional German meals with asparagus, even in these trying times. This definitely made every German's hearts sing with joy. I'm Francis Leslie Manalili. Wir leben in interessanten Zeiten.
We hope you enjoyed that video. If you found it valuable, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel. If you're on Instagram, please follow us at EBC Digital Nest. If you're on Facebook, please pay our page a visit and like it. Here at Digital Nest, we continue to make healthy connections with those who desire to grow and with those who aspire to be inspired. We'll see you next time.